Then let's start. What should I do in step 1? I hope you remember. Can you guide me, please?
Make it one side function.
It will become what? I will shift 1.2 to the left side. It will become like this, equal to 0. As you know, I will remove this 0, and I will put it what? I will put it the function f of x, then become the function f of x equal to this. And remember here the steps we used to make it one side equation. We used to shift all the terms to be in one side, whatever, left or right. This is not issue for us, but it should be one side. Okay, step number 2. Directly I will go to do what? To type that inside my calculator, you're right. Then I will try to write that inside my calculator. I will try to type that inside the calculator. Then I will go to my calculator and I will try to write this equation, which is x. As you know, logarithm here with us, then logarithm, the argument here also x, and then negative 1.2, then it's written inside the calculator. I hope you remember, because I talked about this before. When you press calc 0, the answer will be error. Then what can I do for this case? Start from 1. I will start from 1, because you have logarithm, that means you cannot substitute about 0. Then I will put calc 1 directly and I will press equal. It will give me approximately how much? Negative 1.2. Then the first number finished. Good. Let's speak now about the second one, which is calc 2. Calc 2, it will give me what? Calc 2, it will become negative 0.597. Then this is perfect. This is calc 2. Now I would like to continue, because all the roots are negative. That means I'm still away from the solution or from the root. Then I should now substitute by F3, which is calc 3. When you put calc 3, the calculator will give you, positive number, which is plus 0.2313. Then now I will stop. Now I will stop because of what? Because the sign is starting to change. Then from the last two, as you remember, from the last two, I will try to find the both values for A and B. Then A, it will become 0.59 or what? 2. Yes, the value inside the bracket 2, then I have now A. And the value of B, it will become the value inside the bracket, which is 3. Then now I have with me A and B. Then let's use them to compute the average. Then I will take those both and I will add them, and then I will divide by 2 to find x naught. Remember, x naught is to represent the average. Then the average here 2 equals to what? 2.5. 2.5. Yes, correct. 2.5, because 2 plus 3, it will become 5. When you divide 5 by 2, it will become 2.5. Then here I have the average with me. That's correct. Then the step 3 now, which is the different one. It's not like the bisection. This is something else. In step 3, as usual, we will do what? In step 3, I will put the Newton rule. The Newton rule, which will be mentioned in the formula sheet, or you can just remember it. No need to waste your time to search about this one, about this rule, because it's an easy one. What should I write? X minus x, f by x minus what? Fraction. Here I have f, and down I have, as you know, I have f dash. Correct. This is the rule. But remember, I will take just the right-hand side of that rule. I will take just the right-hand side of that rule, which I'm going to copy now with you. Then the right-hand side, it will be the small x minus the fraction. And the fraction here, I hope you can give me the answer. What should I write up and what should I write down? What should I write up here instead of f? Look, it's written here inside step 1. I will copy it from step 1. I will take it same from step 1. Or you can take it from the screen of the calculator. And then this is f. Now I want your help to find the derivative of that f. What is the derivative of this function? Can you help me? What is the derivative of this function? I want to differentiate this red part. Then count with me. How many terms here I have? This is the first, how many parts? This is the first part and this is the second part. As you know, the derivative of this number 1.2, it will become 0 directly. Then no issue for that. Here I have function 1 and I have function 2. If you have two functions like that, do you remember the product rule? I should make how many brackets? I should make 4 brackets. I should, if I have two functions like those, then I should make 4 brackets between them plus, between them addition. Good, those are the 4 brackets. I made them down as you can see. Okay, how I will fill them? Do you remember? I will differentiate the first function, then the derivative. The derivative of this x, just 1. Correct, then I will put it here, 1. And the second function, I will type it same without any change. Then here I will put logarithm. Here I will put logarithm x. Here I will put logarithm x. Then I will type it just same. After that, I will make the opposite. What does it mean opposite? I will write x itself here, and I will try to find the derivative of the logarithm. What is the derivative of logarithm, you know or not? What is the derivative of the logarithm?
Here, right? Exponential.
The derivative. The derivative of logarithm, it will be what? Try to remember it. I will write it here with you. Then the derivative of the logarithm, it will be, yes, 1 by what? Correct. It will be 1 by, then the derivative of logarithm, please remember that it will be only 1 here divided by x ln 10. X ln 10. This is what? This is the derivative of the logarithm. I will write it better to be clear for you. I will write it here, just a minute. Then the derivative of logarithm, it will be x ln what? Ln 10. This is the derivative of the logarithm. 1 divided by x ln 10. And as you know, 1.2, it will be 0. Then no need to write 0 because it will be 0 itself. Then okay. Then here is the answer, as you can see, or here is the derivative, as you can see. Now I would like to continue. Then I hope you remember what I will do. Can you guide me? What I will do? I will try to take this rule, which we did it together, and we differentiate it together. And I will go directly to substitute, or to type, to type that inside the calculator. I will try to type this rule inside my calculator. Can you help me? I have here x, then I should write x. Minus, I have fraction. What should I write up this part? Can you give it to me, please? I have x logarithm x, and remember to close the bracket, minus 1.2, just number. Down, I will put those brackets. To be clear, I will make all the bracket, no issue. Then bracket contain 1, multiply by another 1, contain logarithm x, which is x like this. I close the bracket. After that, I will make plus, and I will make again 2 brackets. The first one, it has x, but inside the second one, I have fraction, and I will write here what? 1, and down, I will write x ln 10, x ln 10. Then here I am going to write 10, as you can see, and remember to go to the right and close the bracket. Then this equation, it's a huge, okay, but we wrote it also inside the calculator as same, you know, no issue at all. But again, by the black color, by the red color, if you have black calculator, please remember to put 1 bracket here and close it there, and open another one here and close it there. Otherwise, your answer will be wrong. Okay, now the equation, it will become ready inside the calculator. I will just go to substitute, nothing else. And as you know, I will substitute 4 times. Then I will write here, first I will put x naught equal to, first I will put x naught equal to, I know because I have x naught with me, if you remember. X naught equal to, after that I will go to produce or to generate the remaining from the first one, x1, x2, x3, and x4 up to 4 iteration will be sufficient for us. Okay. Then the suffix of the index here, this is x1, and this is x2, and this is x3, and this is x4. I will put it here. Give me the first one. X naught, it was what?
2.5.
X naught, it was 2.5. Finished. If you have x naught with me, that means all the other will be easy. Then I will press calc, and I will put 2.5. And when you press calc, it will give you here number. No need to care about this number. Ignore this number. Okay, write 2.5 by yourself and then press equal. It will give you the result. The result how much? Then this is x1. x1 equal 2.2.74650. After the decimal or after the dot, try to copy all the time at least 4 digits or 3 digits. Okay, no issue. After that, it's easy. Calc, answer, equal. It will give you the next one. Then the next one here, which is 2.740649. And again, I will press calc, answer, equal. Then it will give me the next one, which is 2.74064. After that, I will go down as well, and I will put 2.7406. Okay, 6, it will be, or 64, it will be this one. Then here it is. I have from x naught up to x4, and my final answer out of those all the time, I will select the last iteration which it has more accuracy. Then the answer is what? The answer is x equal to 2.74064. Here is the solution.